Happy Friday, Brian Manning here. Let's get right to it. So Monday this week, pretty quiet news day. Tuesday this week, we had trade wars really impacting the markets, and I think investors starting to realize some potential unintended consequences based on the tariffs and the trade wars as well. These items that are created in the U.S. and they're sent to China to be assembled, and then potentially they're going to be impacted by these tariffs when they're re-imported back into the U.S. So that had a little bit of an impact on the markets on Tuesday. Wednesday this week, we got builder sentiment. Builder sentiment was down a little bit. Builders have identified 6,000 products that go into building a new construction home. And of the 6,000 products, there's potentially 600 they're going to be impacted by these tariffs and trade wars as well, which could potentially increase the cost of building a home. So that had a little bit of an impact on builder sentiment. Thursday this week, we got existing home sales. Existing home sales were flat. And then we also just got some feedback on first-time home buyers. First-time home buyers on a year-over-year basis are at 31% of all purchase transactions. So still, they've really been in that 30 to 33% range for quite a while now, so still pretty consistent there. Today, quiet news day, not really much to talk about. I'm around all weekend. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to help you. Love to be part of your business. Happy Friday. Have a great day.